Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs, and today we're going to talk about this new Tundra TRD PRO 2021. We just finished putting our lift kit on it. We just put our rock sliders on it and a set of 295 7018 Toyo Open Country AT3s. So this is factory offset on these wheels. We didn't do any wheel spacers with it. We didn't need to. Set our 0-degree rock sliders in a MIG weld finish, in a MIG weld and finish in BK59. So wanted to share that with you, show our welds and the quality of work that we do. Up here in the front of the car, our lift kit's installed in this. We picked up about 2 inches here in the front of the truck. Obviously 1 inch in the back, so the truck sits level front to back. It's actually within an 1/8 inch. It's actually an 1/8 inch higher in the back than it is in the front. I know sometimes when you look at it in camera, on video, it's hard to tell, but I just want to share that with you. All we had to do is remove the mud flaps in the rear here, and then the front splash guard here off the back, or the front of the back of the bumper here. That's all we need to do. There's no rubbing or any issues with this. It does clear the upper control arms with no problem here. Over here, I want to share with you, we just finished this 2021 Sequoia. Was brought to us, and this has got our lift kit as well, and also has 295 7018s on this truck. So you can see it doesn't quite sit as high, but I had mentioned before in one of our previous videos is that you're limited on how tall you can go on the back of these with the factory TRD Pro shocks, because the shaft length is very short on these. So we're only able to go up 1 inch in the rear of this and about 1.5 inches in the front, but the truck does sit level front to back on this. We do retain the rear mud flaps on this. We do remove the front mud flaps off the back of the tire, and also the lower splash guard off the back bumper, or back of the front bumper here. This customer had elected, said, hey, I want to do a set of JBA control arms on it, and so we did. He wanted red ones, and here they are, and obviously they tie in really good with the springs in it. Is not necessary to do so, but we did do it because that's what he requested. So this has factory offset. You can actually run on this truck. You can run wheel spacers on it to make the stance look a little more aggressive on it. You can get away with it without having to do a body mount chop on it, or have any rubbing with this particular setup here. So I can tell you, if you do decide you want to run wheel spacers on your Sequoia, you can do so if the alignment's set up properly. But yeah, so this has our lift kit. The Pro Tundra has our lift kit in it, and they both win a rock. And I wanted to share that with you. It's pretty cool to see both these trucks together next to each other, or side by side, with our lift kit in it. And you can see the little bit of difference in the height between the two trucks. Both these trucks will still fit in the garage, on a standard garage. If someone said, hey, will this fit in the garage? Yes, it will fit in the garage. So we hope you enjoy this. We hope you follow us, subscribe to us, and keep on with our future builds that we plan on doing for you. So here with just a little bit for Friday afternoon. I hope you enjoy it and have a great weekend. Thanks so much.